Here we have one important problem to design the pump and to calculate the diameter of rising main is nothing but the to calculate the diameter of the pipe. The problem is like that. The water has to be supplied to a town with 1 lakh population at the rate of 150 liters per capita per day from the river of 2000 meter away. The difference in elevation between the lowest water level in the sump and the reservoir is 36 meter. If the demand has to be supplied in 8 hours, determine the size of the main and the brake horsepower of the pump required. Assume the maximum demand as 1.5 times the average daily demand. Assume F is equal to 0.7775. Velocity in the pipe is 2.4 meter per second and efficiency of pump is 80%. Here what they have given is the population of 1 lakh and daily demand of 150 liters and a river is 2000 meter away, and here also given the sump depth is 36 meter and the amount of water supplied is, or the time to supply the water to city is 8 hours. We need to calculate first same thing, average daily demand. We need to find out average daily demand is population into per capita demand, that is 1 lakh into 150 liters per day. It will be 15 million liters day. Then maximum daily demand, in this questions they have given 1.5 times the average daily demand. If it is not given, you can assume it as 1.5 or 1.8 like previous problems. So maximum daily demand is 1.5 times the average daily demand. We calculated it as 22.5 mld. We need to supply the water for 8 hours, right? So for that, the supply is 22.5 into in 24 hours we supply only 8, so 22.5 into 24 we are supplying 8 hours, that is 67.5 mld. Next, discharge required per seconds, so it can be calculated by easily. So here we have daily demand of 67.5 mld means million means 10 power 6 divided by 1000 into 24 into 60 into 60. This is the conversion for converting liters to meter cube per second. For that we need to divide it as 10 power 3 into 24 into 60 into 60. It will convert it to meter cube per second, or call it as qmax. Now the velocity is given as q is equal to 2.4. We have the formula q is equal to a into v. So in that formula we need to find the a is equal to q by v. So q you have 0.781, velocity is given 2.4, it will be 0.325 meter square. So diameter, we know the pipe is in circular. We have the formula a is equal to pi d square by 4. We need to find the d here. So d is 0.643, or say it as 0.65 meter. Clearly observe that the diameter of pipe is, for that we have formula a is equal to pi d square by 4. We need to find the d, so the remaining terms go other side like this. So diameter is 0.65 meter. If the water is pumped from bottom to top, there is a friction loss in pipe, or gharshane anta karitivalla, we call it as friction. For that we need to find friction loss, HL or HF it has the formula F dash LV square by 2GD. We have only F is equal to 0.075, but we don't have F dash. For that we have F dash is equal to 4 into F. It gives 4 into 0.7775, it will give around 0.03, and length is 2000 meter, velocity is given 2.4, and D is now calculated as 0.65 meter. Using that formula we get 27.1 meters. So total lift the pump has to work is total lift they have given something 36 meter there, right? 36 meter is basic height plus we calculated head as 27.1. It gives around 63.1 meter. This is I have calculated this for diameter of the pump. Next we need to find horsepower or brake power or horsepower. This is nothing but the efficiency of pump ಎಷ್ಟು efficiently work ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. For that we have one formula rho W into Q into H divided by nu into 0.735. In nu ಏನಂದ್ರೆ that is efficiency. So efficiency here given as 80%. So rho W is equal to specific gravity of water, that is 9.81 into Q is we have got on the 0.781 and H is total height, that is 63.1 divided by nu is equal to 80%. So we can't put directly as 80%. So 80 divided by 100 we get 0.8. Mention that 0.8 into 0.735 we get around 822 horsepower. That is the solution of this problem.